Hey there, welcome back to channel. Alright, here is the leaks and specification for the Galaxy S23 FE. The Galaxy S20 FE poster leak coming from most trusted source. We can see that the Galaxy S20 FE will be available in the 4 color: black, white, purple and olive. Honestly, this fan edition phone is very similar to the original Galaxy S23. Let's now talk about the specification. The Galaxy S20 FE powered by Exynos 2200 chipset with 8GB of RAM with 128 and 256GB storage with not SD card slot. And the US, the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. In the display department, the phone will be featuring by a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The device will have a triple camera system on the back. The 50MP main sensor, 12MP telephoto lens and 8MP ultra-wide sensor. The front-facing camera will be 10MP sensor and the phone comes with Android 13 with One UI 5.1. The phone also comes with a stereo speaker, IP68 rating and also in-display fingerprint scanner, and the phone powered by 4500 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE will be coming in the market in 2023, which should be by the end of the September or in the November. So this is all about S23 FE, all details and release date. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.